The opioid epidemic is a national conversation, with states seeing hundreds of people dying every year from overdoses, and Montana is not immune. Today, Attorney General Tim Fox announced a lawsuit against one of the manufacturers of those opioids. 693, the number of people in Montana who have died from an opioid overdose from 2000 to 2015. Now, Attorney General Tim Fox is attempting to hold one pharmaceutical company responsible.
This company has gone to great lengths to conceal the dangers of their product while misleading and exploiting physicians in a way that creates thousands of addicts dependent on their drug.
Purdue Pharma Incorporated is the company behind the powerful and addictive opioid OxyContin. The counts listed in this lawsuit filed in district court November 30th allege deceptive practices the DOJ believes Purdue participated in since the 1990s. Purdue's website has multiple listings about the company's commitment to safe and responsible use of opioids, but Fox says that has not been the case.
Designed to manipulate physicians to ensure that their patients are prescribed OxyContin without making those physicians or patients adequately aware of the dangers of the addiction.
The money sought in this suit will help the state move forward from the impacts of the opioid crisis.
Be anything from law enforcement to treatment to drug courts, could be pretty much anything.
Monday's announcement follows a laundry list of other states that have filed similar suits against Purdue and other drug companies and distributors, including Ohio, Washington, New Jersey, New Hampshire. Even Montana's Cascade County is filing a similar federal lawsuit against Purdue, and Gallatin and Blaine counties are interested. But Fox believes the state has an advantage over counties' lawsuits.
We have a better ability to keep the case here. We also have the Consumer Protection Act, which only the Attorney General's office can bring claims under.
This filing begins what Fox says could be a lengthy process, but he is ready to start. Now, this announcement effectively ended Montana's participation in a multi-state investigation into opioid manufacturers nationwide. Much more about this lawsuit can be found on our website. Just head to ktvh.com.